vibe like? Oh, my controllers. You guys are bugging. Yo. Right there.
I'm under the map. How do you do that?
3 knocks and he's here. 1.
How do you do that, Bree? Help me! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alright. Burnt Tic Tac. Burnt. Oh! Oh my god, it worked! Raps for that person. No, it's raps. It's raps. Everybody 10,000 likes we play that. I know. What's the vibe like?
I'm looking for the number.
Yo, this always works. Burnt Tic Tac. Burnt Tic Tac.
No.
Burnt Tic Tac.
Yeah, leave like good boy, bro. You're annoying. I hate you.
Alright, burnt Tic Tac. Burnt Tic Tac. Burnt Tic Tac.
Monkey Marathon. No, I don't. Monkey Marathon. Come on, Monkey Marathon. Monkey Marathon.
I know why I'm on there.
Monkey Marathon. Because I don't give it.
Little zest butts.
Come on. Adrian.
Hey, gosh, you're stupid.
Go.
Why him on now?
What is this bean hallway? You're annoying, bro. You're annoying.
Yeah, like that.
This is bean hallway.
Heal me!
Heal you.
If we run,
I am.
Oh,
we're gonna
hell
run into him
no.
eventually, bro.
Heal me.
No, for real. I just turned off my flashlight.
Ah, bro, you trolling.
Kill yourself. Stop doing that.
Time
Stop
we do
doing that.
Monkey Marathon.
I know why I'm on there.
There, protein shake.
Yeah.
I heard it. I swear to God, I heard it.
You can hear
Me too. I made him on now.
Well, no, we gone. Nah, bro, we gone.
Another way to this tunnel.
You hear him start screaming, you gotta get out of that place. Oh my god! No!
We're back.
No way, we win. That's right! I win! Mount Everest ain't got shit on me. Oh,
Who's it?
alright.
You sound code.
EV if you want to come with me in my code.
No.
But
No. Cyber.
No.
Yeah, that's
Cyber.
open.
Not loud.
Cook, you killed him. His death is on your hands.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
in the door.
Oh no, it's Raps. Ah! Excuse me.